In this video, we will be discussing Part B of the Social Studies Practice Paper 1. Part A is already there on our channel. You can go and watch. So you have to do this question paper in half an hour. The first question is the southernmost Himalayan ranges. We know it starts with Himadri, Himachal, and then southernmost will be Shivalik. So answer is option C. Second question, the latitude that divides India into nearly two equal halves. We know we are studying from earlier classes. This is India. So the latitude which is dividing India will be nothing but Tropic of Cancer, which is option B. Third question, Pulicat Lake is in the state of. If you observe in the map of India, you will see that Pulicat Lake will be in Tamil Nadu. Fourth question, the criteria used by the World Bank in the World Development Report. It will be in terms of money, and money we know it is per capita income. So option D. Next we have national income is calculated for every year. Yearly wise we calculate national income, that is income of the country. So option C. Sixth question, when people work less than their potential, it is called, we know it cannot be unemployment because unemployment means when people are not working only. Voluntary employment means employment according to will, and involuntary employment means employment which is not according to our will. So it is nothing but when the people work less than their potential, that is less than their capacity, then it will be called as disguised unemployment. That is option A. Seventh question, the services of this sector does not come under communities, social and personal services. It does not come under personal services means it will be real estate, because this is the reason which you are seeing here on the screen. Eighth question, if the similar weather conditions prevail over a large area over 30 years, it will be called as, we know it cannot be latitude, it cannot be longitude. And climatograph is a graph which measures climate, right? So we can say the answer is option C, that is climate. Ninth question, this place does not have an equable climate. So in which place we don't have equable climate? Option C, that is Cochin, because it is nearer to the coast. 10th question, retreating monsoon gives abundant rainfall to. Coromandel coast we have abundant rainfall. 11th question, Treaty of Versailles imposed heavy penalty on. So it imposed heavy penalty on the country Germany, option A. 12th question, USA announced new deal to the victims of. You can see here it announced new deal to the victims of Great Economic Depression. So option C. This is option A. This is also option A. This is option C. Next we have Mars Revolution and October Revolution were the two phases of. They were the two phases of Russian Revolution. We studied these two topics in Russian Revolution. 14th question, Mahatma Gandhi launched Quit India Movement. Quit India Movement was launched after the failure of Cripps mission. So option A. Next, Tebhaga movement was started. Why was Tebhaga movement started? It was started to increase the share of harvest to poor peasants, that is to poor farmers. Option A. Privy purse was given to, we know, to princely states. The prince of the princely states were given privy purse. So option C. 17th question, the final draft of the Indian constitution was prepared by drafting committee. Option B. 18th question, in the parliamentary form of government, executive is not responsible to the legislature. So option B is correct. Two types of government, parliamentary form of government and presidential form of government. 19th question, the mark applied on the ballot paper is swastik mark. Option A. 20 question, returning officer monitors elections at every polling booth. In part A also, we had to write a letter to the returning officer. So I had said at that time only that returning officer is responsible for the service of polling booth. So option B, option A, option A, option B. This completes our social studies Part B paper. If you understand this video, please like this video and share this video with others. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.